In this video, I'm going to teach you how to generate more than 50 videos under 30 minutes with Canva and ChatGPT. You can generate a lot of Instagram reels, Facebook reels, YouTube reels, etc. We just use two apps completely for free from the comfort of your zone from phone or laptop. Now let's go. But before then, please kindly help me subscribe to the channel, like this video. I will really appreciate that. All right, now let's go. You come to Google. The first thing you need to do is you need to come to chatgpt.com, whether on your phone or your laptop. Then you're going to insert this prompt here. All right, so this prompt here, I'm going to put it on the video description so that it could be able to help you. And then you're going to click on enter. When you click on enter, it's going to generate all of those things. The prompt say act as a motivational content creator, generate 50 original, powerful and short motivational quotes that are ideal for YouTube videos, Instagram, and all of that, blah 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 blah. All right, so absolutely, here are 50 of them. So we have a lot of them here already. So all you have to do is copy them, and then you can go to your notepad, and then you can paste them there. Let's just choose our notepad, and then we just paste them there. All right, so just paste them here. So we already have 50 of them. So with the next thing to do is we need to go to Google again, and then we need to go to canva.com. all right, so you can have it as an app on your phone, or you can just go to canva.com. Whether you're using a pro or a free one, you can actually get this done. So we are going to look for motivational quotes reel. All right, so then click on enter, and then it's going to come up. Of course, you are going to see that we have a lot of motivational here, motivational. So we are going to choose on one. So let's say I like this, and then let's say I like this. Which one will I like here? There are a lot of them that are good here. Okay, let's say I just choose this one here, and then I click on OK, and then of course I'm going to customize it. All right, so I'm going to click on customize. All right, so it opens the platform like this for me. You can see that the video is about 10 seconds. So if I click on it, you can see that this is how it looks, right? This is how it looks. So all I have to do is I have to come to my notepad, and then copy the first one, the first quote here, and then I have to come here, and then of course I need to highlight it, and then paste the quote I got from ChatGPT. Say grow through what you go through, not just stronger but wiser. Of course, you can see here, and then of course I can now put my name as the person who writes this code. I'm writer Dennis, and then of course you see that this looks good. So if I click on it again, you can see that it's looking so sweet. Now it has no audio, so you can see audio here. You can click on audio, and then you can choose any of the audio, and then of course you're going to make the audio from the beginning. So I'm going to extend it and click on this. Are you seeing it? So this looks so sweet. It's very simple, it's very nice, it doesn't take time and all of that. So this is how to do it. Is very simple like this. So when you are done, all you have to do is duplicate this. Of course, duplicate the whole of this, and then of course put in another text, duplicate, put in another text. If you don't want to duplicate, you can duplicate, and then of course you can change some of this picture. Like this picture now, you can remove the picture, or you can bring in a new picture and then replace it with this particular one that you are seeing here. All right, so right click, replace with background. Of course, you can see that if I brought in, let me delete it and bring a new picture, a good one that will fit in. You can see that when I delete this, it looks like this. If I play it again, it still looks so sweet. All right, so when you duplicate, you just have to be changing the background, bring in new pictures, and of course before you understand, within 30 minutes you have created 30 videos. This is a nice and good way to scale up your content on social media. This video was good for you. If you like it, please kindly help me subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'll create a new one for you in the future.